And now let's join Michelle Coates for the Business Beat. Today, Michelle is checking out the Raydon Corporation's new location where the 110,000 square foot facility can accommodate nearly twice its current workforce and will consolidate the company's 4 current locations into one for the first time in 12 years.
I'm Michelle Coates with the Business Beat. Today, Raydon officials are celebrating the grand opening of their $13 million complex, completed on time and under budget. And it's bringing more than 300 Raydon employees together for the first time in a decade under one roof. Raydon Corporation, a virtual learning company, is the top provider of convoy trainers to the United States Armed Services. The company's technology has applications in the military, corporate, education, and medical fields. While Raydon serves many markets, its most compelling work is as a producer of virtual reality training simulators for the United States military, and they are doing it right here in Volusia County.
We're here today to celebrate the consolidation of Raydon into one facility out of 4. We've not been in a single facility for more than 10 years now.
The 112,000 square foot building is the largest plant to be built in Volusia County in over 10 years. While Raydon considered other potential consolidation sites in Florida, Virginia, and North Carolina, economic incentives from state, county, and city, as well as the availability of a shovel-ready development site at the Port Orange Business Park, played a big part in the company's decision to remain in Volusia County.
We really looked around very hard to find the right location for the company, and Volusia County just organized a whole gaggle of incentives to really pull us here. They had shovel-ready property and interstate access that was just perfect for the design of the facility that we have.
Revenues since 2004 have increased exponentially from less than $20 million to a record $54 million last year. And Raydon is on track to top $60 million this year. Raydon also plans to add 50 jobs paying an average of more than $50,000 annually next year and could grow to as many as 400 employees within 3 years.
Raydon, in its essence, is innovation. A lot of people think what we do is we produce products, but actually what we do is we produce ideas. We have customers that have problems and finite budgets, and our real magic is taking those two and figuring out how to solve their problems within their budgets. Because the technology ages so quickly, we're constantly churning it out. So really, as a product, it's not so much a product base as it is a method to deliver great ideas to our market.
Raydon simulation systems give soldiers a realistic look at situations they're likely to face in active duty and wartime situations. The simulators include realistic terrain, such as buildings, streets, landmarks, and the enemy in both predictable and ambush situations. Soldiers are infinitely better prepared for these situations when having rehearsed the scenarios in the safety of a simulation environment.
We like to say that simulation is an audience-based market, and our job is to grow the audience, and the way we do that is by producing more and more virtual reality seats. So if you look in the building, we've got 9 bays, and our goal is to be able to upgrade or produce at least 9 trailers a day, which will get us to around 3,100 trailers a year.
The company is not just a military supplier. It offers other driver assessment and improvement products in a medical application. There are countless simulation needs, and Raydon and its affiliates are developing solutions for many of them, including the medical marketplace. Raydon's future is bright, with anticipated revenue growth and consolidating operations into this state-of-the-art Port Orange complex. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Michelle Coates with the Business Beat.
Find out more by going to raydon.com.